There is another feature added in this new version of Fibonacci Galactic Trader, where there is a natural reversal dates. These dates were used by WT Gang very extensively. So how to use the dates? You go to planets, aspects, and under the aspect natural reversal date and exit. So these all dates you edit, and you can give your own style. So I'll give you a 5 thickness, and the color I'll give you blue color, and you can see that these are the important dates of the reversal. So these are the dates. If you can see, these are very important dates of the reversal. Every time nearby those dates, an important reversal has happened. So you can go back in the history and check it, how that it has manifested in the past. And you can see in the future also and see that where these dates are again coming up. So under these dates, there are two types of dates which are not defined here. One is a major reversal and another is a minor reversal. So based on the studies you do on the technical indicators or planetary line or any of the indicators, based on those, if you collaborate those dates, those indicators with these natural reversal dates, they will give you a better perspective in the trading. Thank you.